The truth about making friends in Dubai. That's what we're going to be talking about in today's topic. And let's be honest, making friends as an expat in Dubai, this can feel really very hard sometimes. You land in this glamorous city full of skyscrapers, sunshine and opportunities, but when it comes to building real friendships, suddenly it's not as easy as you thought. So why is that? Why do so many people say, I love Dubai, but I feel lonely over here? Well, today we are getting real about it. This is the truth about making friends in Dubai. What no one tells you and how you can actually build meaningful connections that last in this city of constant change. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Yaya and I make videos about life, money and personal growth here in Dubai and across the UAE. If you are an expert or a student or a professional who's trying to build your life over here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because every week we talk about what it's really like living and thriving in Dubai. Now, let's dive into something very super relatable, the social side of an expat life, because making friends in Dubai, it's not like back home. When you first move to Dubai, it's easy to assume that you'll make friends instantly. The city is full of expats from all over the world. That's more than 200 nationalities. Endless networking, endless events, brunches, and meetups. You would think that making friends would be very easy, right? But here's the truth. Dubai's social scene can feel exciting, but also superficial at first. Many experts, they say they meet lots of people, but struggle to form real connections. It's not that people are unfriendly. Far from it. It's just that Dubai, it's a transient city. People come and go all the time. You'll meet someone at the brunch, then they will be your best friend for 2 months. And then suddenly they're going to be moving back to London, to Toronto, or even to Manila. So if you've been here for a few months and you are starting to feel like, why is it so hard to find genuine friends? Trust me, you are not alone. One of the biggest things to understand about Dubai is that it's a city that's built for expats. Around 90% of the people here, they aren't Emirati. That means that most of the people who are living, they are living far away from their families, from their old friends, and from their comfort zones. Now, that sounds like a great thing. Everyone's here is new, right? But here's the flip side. Because people are from such diverse backgrounds, everyone brings in their own lifestyle, their own priorities, and their own timelines. You might be a 28-year-old teacher from UK who loves beach days and then coffee catch-ups. The next person might be a 45-year-old entrepreneur from India working 12 hours days. Another could be a Filipino nurse doing night shifts. You all live in the same city, but your worlds barely overlap. So finding your people, the ones who share your energy, your values, and your schedules, it takes time. And that's okay. It doesn't mean that something is wrong with you. It just means that Dubai's social fabric is unique and it requires a bit more patience and intention. Let's talk about something every expat in Dubai eventually experiences, which is the brunch friend phenomenon. You meet someone at a Friday brunch and then you instantly click, you exchange Instagrams, you hang out again the next week, and then for a while it feels like you found your tribe. But over time, you realize your friendship is built mostly around events, parties, dinners, night outs, such kind of things. And when life gets real, like you are stressed, homesick, or even broke, those friends might disappear. This is what I call the surface circle. People who are fun and social, but not necessarily your emotional anchors. Don't get me wrong. These friendships have their place. Dubai's lifestyle is fast and you need people to share that energy with. But if you are craving deeper, more authentic friendships, you'll need to go beyond the brunch scene. So how do you meet genuine people in Dubai? Friends who will be there for you when you are sick and grow with you during that time. Here are a few real tried and tested ways that actually work for you to get a real friendship. Number one is to join interest-based communities. Dubai is full of community groups built around shared interest, whether it's a fitness, entrepreneurship, volunteering, or even creating different hobbies. Platforms like Meetup Internationals or even Facebook groups are great places to start from. You can also join hiking clubs, photograph walks, or even language exchange meetups. When you connect over shared passions, conversations they flow naturally. You are not just talking small talks, you are building bond around common goals. Number 2, get active in co-working spaces or even networking hubs. If you are a freelancer, digital nomad, or a business profession, co-working spaces like Astro Labs, Nook, or even F4 Space is Alaska Avenue. This can be amazing for meeting like-minded people. These places, they often host workshops, business meetups, or even coffee mornings. And the vibe is always friendly. You meet people who are driven curiously and usually open to meaningful conversation beyond just what do you do. Number 3, volunteer or join charity initiatives. Dubai has a growing community of volunteers and social causes like Dubai Cares or Emirates Red Crescent initiatives. Volunteering, it connects you with kind-hearted people and it gives you a sense of belonging that goes beyond work or even nightlife. There is something special about meeting people while doing something good together. Number 4, attend cultural, even creative events. From Anti Dubai to Expo City events, film screenings, portrait night, even local markets, Dubai's creative scene is booming. You'll find people who are more grounded, more expressive, and often open to deeper conversation. It's not just about networking, it's about connection. Number 5, build consistency, not just contacts. A lot of people in Dubai, they meet once, exchange numbers, and then never follow up. But relationships grow through repetition. Invite that person for coffee again, show up for that weekly yoga class, go for that Saturday walk at the beach. The more people see you around, the more they trust you. And that's how friendship grows the roads. Now, let's be real for a second. Loneliness is a quite reality for many expats in Dubai. Behind the glitz and the glam, it's easy to feel disconnected. People do not talk about it very much because everyone is focused on showing the best version of their life on social media. The fancy dinners, the travels, the new cars, and all that kind of stuff. But many expats, even successful ones, they struggle with the feeling alone. You can be surrounded by hundreds of people and still feel like no one really knows you. And if that's you, you are not broken and you are definitely not the only one. It just takes a bit of time and intention to build your community over here. Now, to make genuine friends in Dubai, you need to shift your mindset from finding friends to building friendships. See, a lot of people approach friendship here like a checklist. Meet someone, hang out, click, done. But real friendship is built, not found. It's nurtured through shared experiences, trust, and effort. Be the kind of person who listens, follows up, and shows up. Don't just look for what you can get out of the friendship. Look for what you can give. And don't write people off too quickly. Remember, everyone here is figuring life out just like you. One more truth about Dubai, it's a city of constant movement. People come for a few years, then they move on. So, how do you build a friendship that lasts in a place where goodbyes are part of the deal? You learn to appreciate moments rather than permanence. Some friendship might last only a season, but that doesn't make them less valuable. Celebrate the people who cross your path, stay open to new connections, and keep nurturing the ones who matter. The more that you invite in authentic interactions, the less alone you will feel, no matter who comes or who goes. When I first moved to Dubai, I honestly thought I would make friends instantly. I was attending events, going to church, networking, saying yes to everything, but deep down, I still felt disconnected. It wasn't until I started doing what I loved, filming, making videos for you, creating content, and joining communities around that I met my real friends. People who supported my goals, checked on me when I was quiet, and shared their own journey too. So, if you are struggling right now, don't force it. Find what lights you up and the right people will find you in that space. Dubai is an incredible city full of opportunities, adventure, and diversity, but it's also a place that will test your ability to adapt and connect. Making friends here takes time, patience, and effort. But once you find your circle, it feels like a family. So take it one day at a time, say yes to experiences, follow up with people, be genuine, and the rest will follow. So What's your experience been like making friends in Dubai? Have you found it easy, challenging, or somewhere in between? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your story, and if this video helped you or gave you your perspective, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with friends who might need to hear this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep building your Dubai life one friendship at a time. And if you'd like to watch more videos on my screen, feel free to click some videos here and another video right here. So I'll see you in the next video.